want to buy a car, for example Honda. So what is the first step you do? You basically search in some website or some app that car dekho, car bazaar, those kind of website, and they ask you for your contact details, right? Your phone number or email address, and after that they keep calling you with some offers. They send you some good quotation. Now, from whom you are going to buy, obviously who will send you the best quotation price, right? So for the company Honda, car is the product, and for Honda, car is the product, and quotation is another object. So in sales cloud, as I have mentioned that in every cloud, Salesforce has their targeted industry. For automobile industry, for telecom sector, for health sector, it has their targeted industry for each cloud. Now, if for Honda company they are using sales cloud, so do they can't use the service cloud or marketing cloud? No, they absolutely can, but it all depends upon their requirement. So basically, what sales cloud offers is it offers you some sort of standard object and their flow. Like I said, right, quotation. So they have the object called code. They have the object called product. They have the object called opportunity.
Events, freshers, fairs, and lots of other events. So during those time, we learned a lot of things. So we learned what it is to be responsible, what is time management, what is group work, what is collaborating with others. And trust me, these are the qualities that are very essential. No matter where you go, whatever you do in life, this will help you always. These are the things that actually transforms us. Like when we entered the gate of this college for the first time, we graduated from school and we stepped into college. But when we will be going out of this gate, so from that time onward, it will be our entry to the professional world. And professional world, these are the abilities, these are the qualities that are required in every state. So I'm very proud to say that my college installed this thing in every state and that helped us to achieve.
So what has happened over here is, I am the interviewer. So what is your name?
Krishna.
Okay, can I call you Krishna? Sure. So what we have here is, I as an interviewer have given Krishna a question that says you are given an array of repeating numbers. All numbers given repeat in an even way except for one. Find that odd occurring number. Okay. So now Krishna, you are the interviewee over here. I am the interviewer, but I am also your teammate. So what happens in this kind of a scenario is, the first thing that, so okay, any guesses what is it that Krishna should do first? So she has just got the question. What is it that she should do first? Your guess, their guess.
Discuss with.
हाँ?
Thinking out loud.
Thinking out loud, वो तो समझ गया, वो तो it's like वो क्या वो organizer type का थोड़ा लगा. तो मैं समझ गया भाई. Okay, thinking out loud is good, but what direction should she take? Huh? Okay. Okay, so it's some algorithm coming from there. So your suggestion is that she should go for some algorithm. Okay.
We can find the video and check.
Okay, another algorithm. Okay, I'll help you.
We can sort the entire.
See, another algorithm.
Why do we need to do
नहीं ये तो बहुत खतरनाक है. अच्छा I tell you. So the first thing that Krishna should do here definitely is Krishna should understand the problem. So the +2 solution will not work because I can say that is not the case. The array might look something different. And in interviews, interviewers tend to give some kind of like patterned thing so that you automatically assume it and the interviewer catches you.
What we can do is we can sort it first.
Again, algo.
Then we can check I and I plus 1 if the ECV.
What I'm trying to say is algo. Of course, you'll have to implement an algo. Goes without saying. But you go to the algo later. First, clarify the problem. So, okay, there is a dead giveaway. You folks just solved a machine coding problem a while ago. This is another coding problem. What is the difference between the two problems? Try finding that out.
That is just doing on my own. Here I have to discuss it with the interviewer. And then
Okay, but what is the difference in problem statement itself?
Test case was not given.
See. So the constraints themselves are not mentioned. You do not know whether to use int, pigint, string. I've not even told you. That is the thing that the interviewer would observe.
But I can take